And man, amigos, I have here 2018 Ford Expedition XLT. This is a blue one. About to go into getting serviced and detailed. I've had 2 sets of keys, remote lift gate, remote start. I do have a run-in. It's a 3.5 EcoBoost. Ivan Lopez here on Red Friday. Remember, men and women deployed overseas, of course, for their safe return to their family. Ivan Lopez, that's me, 985-966-9443. Want to give a salute my son-in-law, Matthew Frederick, and safe return, buddy. I've been bringing you back your expedition. Get your fixed running boards. There's the roof rails on top. Put your keyless entry, your shoes and wheels. Does have a receiving hitch on the rear. There's the third row. Won't be able to squeeze back there from here. Your second row is a bench. And Mr. Richard. Pile of folding on the third row, as well as both sides. Spring loaded on the second row. Knock someone's head off. Cause your manual to put them up. I can bring the third row powered up, all by switch. Rear sensor and rear camera. There's a receiving hitch behind the plate. Oh, saw me kick. Sorry about that. Keyless entry. Also keypad, 5-digit code. So your second row. There you go. Your third row. That worked out for the best. Let them flip down the seats. So these are nice. All three. I just lay room for the back. All three of them. Rear vents. Built them USBs, power inverter. Does have blind spot monitoring there. So with the rain there, you might say for blind spot. You got power folding mirrors, memory seating. Everybody's built differently. There's your adjustable pedals. I make headlights. You can knock the headrest down. I think the headrest's already up. Yeah, if the headrest was up, you can knock them down from here. I'll show you the pretty cool feature. Either lift here. So these are usually blocking your view of your back glass. So that same button I just pressed there is blocking your view for your little sharp munchkin causing trouble. Press the button, knock them over the head. Just kidding. But anyway, your lift gate from here. Because we talked about the memory seating, powered seating on the driver. Perforated holes tell me we're gonna have some conditioned temperature for delicate people. I'm one today because it's pretty cold, hot outside. Heating and cool seats, charging pad, built-in USBs, different drive modes. We can press them and it'll show up on your dashboard. And while we're here, engine driven miles, cruise control, Bluetooth, dual climate control, his, hers, his, whatever significant other is. More plugs, auto stop start, traction control. You do climate control from here. Delicate people need a heating steering wheel. Got you covered for the winter. Does have navigation built in. You can actually use your own phone for Ford Pass. This is a cool feature here. I'll show people, but you can't do this when you're driving. At least you're not supposed to. There's rain. It's pretty cool. The front about to come through. Depression down on the opposite side of Mexico. Say hello, Central America. Got about to get slammed. And there's some rains and depressions and high, all that good stuff. This is pretty cool. Apple and CarPlay. You can change all the lightings and the cup holders at nighttime and underneath the doors to your sport theme or just what you're in the mood for. We're going for Red Friday. There you go. So my cup holders with my lights on. I'm gonna force them on. They'll turn red on me. So you can barely make it out. That's the green. It's blue and purple. We're gonna leave it for red for right now. For Red Friday. Support non-military personnel. And we got a built-in dog garage opener. There you go, amigos. Push button start. And again, 2 remote control keys. So key fobs. As usual, Ivan Lopez here, Banner Ford, talking too much. 95-966-9443. That's me. Adios, my amigos. Safe travels and God bless. See you the next one. Thumbs up, thumbs down, no matter. Either way, I appreciate you guys. Update the, I saw the price. I thought it was on the description. It should be in the description. If not, I'll be updating it shortly. Adios, Mr. Bates. Until the next one.